If your teacher is asking you to submit emails using an assignment in Blackboard rather than actually going into your school email and sending the email that way, then I want to walk you through and let you see exactly how to do that. So you can see here on my screen that I have set up an assignment asking my students to do this using the assignment text box. So to do that, rather than going into the email, my school email, and creating a new email that way, I'm going to click to open this assignment. And in doing that, you're going to see exactly what this would look like for you. All right, so this says, for this assignment, you will pretend that you're sending an email and write your email in the assignment text box. So here's what this will look like. Text submission, click on Write Submission, and then make sure that you put in a subject line, and you can do that either with the word subject or and a colon, whichever way you want to do it. Your teacher may give you a specific way to do that. So I am going to write this, show you how to write this as if I were doing this in an email, doing this for the assignment that I'm going to submit. So I would put in my subject line, and it might be that I'm replying to my teacher, a response to the request for my program goals. Okay? And then I would start my email. Dear whoever I'm writing to. This is my name from your and so I would continue my discussion there. So I wrote my subject line, I wrote my salutation. I am now writing my going through and writing my email, and I'm looking back and I'm seeing some typos that I've made, so I'm making sure that I'm responding to those. I would continue with that, however many paragraphs I need, however much room, space I need to fill up with this. The request here says the body of the email should be at least 50 words, and so I'm going to have to write some additional information here. And again, I'm going to go back and double check my spelling. I've got horrible spelling here. Ha ha ha. Okay. And I don't think the spell checker will work in this, so I'm just going to do this way. I might do this in Word and then copy and paste it in if I feel more confident doing that, and I like the idea of having the spell checker and the grammar checker give me some feedback. I could certainly do that and copy and paste it in here. And then when I'm finished with this, I'm going to write my sincerely or respectfully or whatever I would do there, and then have my name and my signature box that I would need. And so I would put my course information there. I might put my email address there. And those other pieces that I know my teacher is looking for. I might put a phone number, whatever information again, I want to put in my signature box. And then when I am done with that, I will click to submit it. And that will send that to my teacher. And I have simulated writing an email. I have written the same kind of thing I would write if I were writing an actual email, but I have done it in this different way using the text box as my teacher has asked me to do. If you have questions about that, you can always ask your teacher, or if you wonder if there are specific requirements that your teacher has that you have not satisfied, you can certainly ask about that. As I said, if you wanted to come into a Word document and pull something out of it, I'm going to just copy something out of an email or out of a Word document, copy that, and you could go into your text box and copy and paste in that way if you feel that's an easier way for you to do that for your teacher, just to guarantee that you have access to the spell checker and the grammar checker. So that's how you would do that assignment, by using the text box in the assignment link rather than actually sending an email. But you do that only if that's the way your teacher has requested that you send some of your emails.